Packard 8 was a luxury automobile produced by the Packard Motor Car Company, renowned for its straight-eight engine and elegant styling. Produced primarily between 1924 and 1936, and then again after World War II until 1950. The Duesenberg Model J is an iconic American luxury car produced between 1928 and 1937, renowned for being one of the fastest and most expensive production cars of its time, as well as a symbol of opulence and advanced engineering. It included innovative features, such as four-wheel power-assisted hydraulic brakes and a dashboard with warning lights that reminded the driver when it was time to change the oil or check the battery. The Bentley 8 Liter is a classic car produced from 1930 to 1932, renowned for being Bentley's largest and most powerful luxury car before its acquisition by Rolls-Royce. It is considered one of the most prestigious cars of all time. It featured a massive, all-cast iron, six-cylinder inline engine with advanced technical solutions for the time, including 4 valves and 2 spark plugs per cylinder. The Rolls-Royce Phantom 3 is notable for being the last great pre-war Rolls-Royce, and the only one to be equipped with a V12 engine until the introduction of the Silver Seraph in 1998. It was also innovative in its suspension, offering remarkable refinement for its time. The 1938 Lagonda V12 is a renowned classic luxury car, famous for being one of the few pre-war road cars capable of easily exceeding 160 kilometers per hour in its standard configuration. Designed by legendary engineer W.O. Bentley, it is considered one of his masterpieces. Today, Lagonda V12s are considered among the finest and most desirable cars produced by the British automaker. The 1947 Austin Shearline is a British luxury sedan designed to compete with brands like Bentley and Daimler by offering a refined driving experience at a more affordable price. The interior was luxurious for the time, featuring leather upholstery, fine carpets, and walnut trim. The Shearline represented Austin's attempt to enter the post-war luxury car market. The Super Snipe was a key model for Humber, a British automotive brand that was eventually acquired by the Rootes Group. The car was widely used as a staff car during World War II, a fact that contributed to its prestige. It was prized for its robustness and reliability, earning a reputation as a solid and capable vehicle. The 1955 Imperial is a luxury automobile produced by the Chrysler Corporation. That year, Chrysler decided to position the Imperial as a separate automotive brand to compete directly with Cadillac and Lincoln, eliminating the Chrysler brand from the vehicle itself. The car was designed for luxury, with a wheelbase that provided ample room for rear passengers. Power steering and power brakes were standard, as were power windows and a 4-way power adjustable seat. The Citroën DS19, first presented at the Paris Motor Show in 1955, is an iconic classic car, nicknamed Shark or Goddess. It is famous for its futuristic design and revolutionary technical solutions, particularly its hydropneumatic suspension, which offers exceptional ride comfort and adjusts the vehicle's ride height. The Tatra T603 is a Czechoslovakian luxury sedan, renowned for its distinctive aerodynamic design and rear-mounted air-cooled V8 engine. It served as the official car for high-ranking government officials and industrial executives in the Eastern Bloc. The rear-engined architecture allowed for a spacious interior, comfortably accommodating 6 passengers. The front seats could also be folded down to form a bed. The The 1958 Facel Vega Excellence is a French four-door luxury sedan, renowned for its unique pillarless hardtop styling and high performance. Thanks to its American Chrysler-sourced V8 engines, the Excellence was distinguished by its sedan body with a pillarless design, which offered a more spacious feel when all the windows were down. The Daimler Majestic Major was first introduced at the London Motor Show in October 1959, although series production began in November 1960. It was a powerful, luxury saloon car known for its high performance for its size and era. The interior was finished in traditional British luxury style, with walnut veneer, leather upholstery, and ample space. A longer limousine version, DR450, was also produced from 1961. The 1961 Lincoln Continental is an iconic classic car, renowned for its elegant, minimalist design and innovative features, such as the famous suicide doors, rear hinge doors. Under the hood, it featured a 7.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a powerful yet smooth ride. Despite its imposing size, it offered a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The 1963 Maserati Quattroporte is the first generation of the iconic Italian luxury sedan, renowned for being the world's fastest four-door sedan at its launch. Designed by Pietro Frua, it combined sports car performance with comfort and elegance. The model had a lasting impact and was beloved by actors and industrialists, becoming an icon of style and performance. The 1964 Mercedes-Benz 600 is an iconic luxury car produced by the German automaker. The 600 was designed to compete directly with the most luxurious cars of the time, such as the Rolls-Royce Phantom V. The cabin was exceptionally spacious, finished with premium materials, such as high-quality leather and wood trim. The car was renowned for its sophisticated high-pressure hydraulic systems that controlled the windows, adjustable seats, trunk lid, and doors. The 1965 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow marked a turning point for the brand. One of the most revolutionary features was the adoption of an advanced hydropneumatic self-leveling suspension system licensed from Citroën, which ensured exceptional ride comfort. The cabin was the epitome of 1960s luxury, featuring extensive use of Connolly leather, polished burr walnut trim, and thick Wilton carpets. It offered modern conveniences for the time, such as electric windows and central locking. The 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham was the pinnacle of large, luxurious American sedans, boasting the longest wheelbase and overall length in the Cadillac lineup. Powered by a robust V8 engine and featuring exclusive interiors with leather cloth, footrests, and distinctive wood-look trim, making it a symbol of prestige as the final model of its iconic body style before a major redesign in 1971. It represented the epitome of Cadillac's opulent offerings, even featuring unique design elements compared to other Cadillacs. The Monteverdi High-Speed 375 stood out for its imposing dimensions, over 5 meters in length, and the opulence of its interior, which included leather and fine wood. The engine was a massive 7.2-liter Chrysler V8, capable of producing approximately 375 horsepower. Standard equipment was exceptionally rich for the time and included power steering, power windows, air conditioning, and a high-quality audio system. The 1972 Jaguar XJ12 Series 1 was the world's first production V12 saloon, celebrated for its luxury and high performance. A 5.3-liter overhead camshaft V12 engine, a Borg-Warner 3-speed automatic transmission. It reached a top speed of approximately 235 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest four-door saloon on the market at its launch. The 1972 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W116 introduced several significant innovations for the automotive industry. It was the first model to feature an anti-lock braking system, ABS. Retractable seat belts were available as an option. The car offered luxury features, such as fully sprung seats, efficient air conditioning, and, on some models, hydropneumatic suspension. The 1974 Panther DeVille is a luxurious neoclassical sedan produced by the British automaker Panther Westwines, known for its styling reminiscent of the Bugatti Royale. The interior was opulent, with leather seats, Wilton carpets, power windows, air conditioning, and burr walnut trim. Luxury options included a power sunroof, television, telephone, and a cocktail cabinet. The 1977 Aston Martin Lagonda is a four-door luxury sedan known for its futuristic wedge design and onboard electronics. It was the world's first production car to feature a digital dashboard and touch switches for various functions, from windshield wipers to the automatic transmission. However, this technology was very advanced by the standards of the time and suffered from significant reliability issues, requiring a long development period before production began. The 1988 Audi V8 was the German automaker's first luxury flagship, distinguished by its V8 engine and standard quattro all-wheel drive. It was Audi's answer to the luxury models of Mercedes-Benz and BMW. At its launch, it was considered a sports sedan with similar aesthetics to a regular Audi 200, but with more luxurious interior appointments and more powerful engines. The 1991 Buick Roadmaster is a large American car. At the time of its launch, reviewers praised General Motors' full-size station wagons, including the Roadmaster, for their smooth, quiet ride and luxurious trim levels. The body-on-frame construction and suspension contribute to a comfortable ride and a driving experience that's less heavy than expected for its size. The interior of the 1994 BMW 7 Series was a sanctuary of luxury, with meticulous attention to detail. The high-quality leather upholstery was available in a variety of colors. Extensive use of fine wood trim was used on the dashboard, doors, and center console. The seats, with electrical adjustment for the driver and steering wheel, offered exceptional comfort. The car could even be equipped with an integrated TV system and rear seat entertainment options.